Good.
Yeah?
Good fun, yeah.
You like that with a foot brake, or you think you like the handbrake?
I don't know, to be honest.
Yeah.
But yeah, once you get used to that, I think I'll kind of like that
I think
a
it'll
bit
be
better.
good, yeah.
Yeah.
Just use it more and more.
Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, it's really hard on that one to brake hard because you're not used to it.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
once you know the pressure points and that. So
Yeah. Having neutral with it.
Yeah.
Hello.
Thank you.
You're welcome. A bit windy, eh?
Yeah, I know, it was a bit sketchy on some of the
the
jumps.
jumps,
I got blown on that triple over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.